Okay, continuing from the last video, which shape does not fit the others? Again, one of them should be screaming out to you, okay? Luckily, this looks a bit like a 7. That looks a bit like a 7. That looks a bit like a 7. That looks like a J. A 7 and a J are not the same. The answer is that one. It's been flipped around. Okay. This one you should be able to see here. Solid line's going to go through there, a jagged line upwards, a jagged line across, and another solid line. The only one that fits that is this one. Solid line, jagged line, jagged line. You could almost lift it into that spot, couldn't you? Okay, complete the series. So we'll work it out together if you're not sure of this one. A gap of 1, a gap of 2, a gap of 3, a gap of 4, a gap of 5, a gap of 6. This is going to be a gap of 7. 22 plus 7 is 29. Okay, again, we're looking for the pattern, aren't we? So 3 and 6, gap is 3. 6 and 10, gap is 4. 10 and 20, gap is 10. So that doesn't really, it's not a gap situation, it's different from the last one. So what is happening? You should be able to see that some of the numbers are doubling, aren't they? 3 doubled is 6. 6 doubled isn't 10. 10 doubled is 20. 20 doubled isn't 24. But 6 plus 4 is 10, and 20 plus 4 is 24. So if we look, we now see a pattern. 3 doubled is 6, plus 4 is 10. 10 doubled is 20, plus 4 is 24. So what they're going to do next is double 24, and then it would be add 4. And doubling 24 is 48, so it fits our pattern. Okay, with this one, the number on the left goes up 1, and the number on the right goes down 1. 8, 9, 10, 11, 6, 5, 4, 3. That's the answer. Okay, nearly there at the end. These ones do take some wordy explanation. Some bracelets are valuable jewellery. All bracelets are made of gold. So let's look at the all part of that. We have a bunch of bracelets in front of us. All of those bracelets are gold. It's telling you that there are some bracelets, all of them are gold. Of this big pile of gold bracelets, some of them are valuable. So you have a big pile of gold bracelets, that's true. Only some of them are valuable, that's true. So what is true in what they're saying? Some bracelets are made of silver. That isn't mentioned whatsoever. That should be glaringly obvious, that's a red herring. Some valuable jewellery is made of gold. Well, yes. All of the bracelets are made of gold. Some of them are valuable. We therefore know some of that valuable jewellery is gold. Okay, we'll do the same sort of thing to work it out. So we have a group of politicians. Some of those politicians are lazy. It's telling you that. It doesn't tell you anything else. It just says some of them are lazy. No lazy person is wealthy. So we take a group of politicians, we separate them into a pile that are lazy and a pile that are not lazy. It then says none of the lazy ones are wealthy. So what are they saying is true? Some politicians are not wealthy. It is telling you that. It's telling you that some are lazy, and it's telling you of these lazy ones, they're not wealthy. It tells you some politicians are not wealthy. It doesn't mention the politicians ever being wealthy. It doesn't say those that aren't wealthy are those that aren't wealthy are wealthy. And this is the final score, 130, and that's the maximum you can get. Thanks for watching. Bye.